So we are introducing in front of you a new therapy for the treatment of cancer, that is the CAR T cell therapy. Chimeric antigen receptor therapy, that is the full form of the CAR T cell therapy. This is the basically a genetically modified T cell therapy, which is the part of our immune system for the treatment of cancer. As we know that cancer is our own cell, which is rapidly and uncontrolled growth in our any part of our body. There are various medications are available for the treatment of cancer, that is chemotherapy, radiotherapy and immunotherapy. But in this therapy we have seen the major side effect that come in front of us, that is the loss of appetite, weight loss, and the most common thing is the hair loss. Apart from this, we using the CAR T cell therapy. In this therapy we can extract out the blood from the patient body and we can isolate the T cells from the bloods, and we can genetically modify it in our laboratory by the use of a paralysis machine. This machine can isolate the T cells from the blood, and after that we can culture the T cell by introducing a special gene for a protein that is catch up our receptor, that is CAR. The receptor name is CAR, that is a chimeric antigen receptor. We can culture the T cell in the laboratory up to their number is not increases up to 4 to 5 times. Then after we can infuse back from the through the IV bottles, and in the patient, a cancer patient, that is his own cell going back to his own body. And now that, as we know, T lymphocyte is the basically our immune system, so that they have ability to detect the cancer cell in apart from before it did not have a capability to identify the cancer cell, but after the modification we developed the capability on the T cell to identify their own cancer cell and attack on them, so that they directly attack on the cancer cell. And this is the normal cell which present around the cancer cell. So as I can say, in immunotherapy and radiotherapy, it acts on the cancer cell for the treatment of cancer, but along with this it attacks on normal cell, so that we have seen a major side effect in our body. But with the help of CAR T cell therapy, we seen that the modified T cell will attack on the cancer cell, so that we got the